Thursday Pools is excited to introduce the Lucky 7 Skimmer, a skimmer exclusively designed for fiberglass pools. Our skimmer is manufactured to account for the 5 to 10 degree draft angle most fiberglass pool manufacturers use. The angled skimmer reduces the number of extension collars required to level the skimmer and makes for an easier installation. The angle also allows the pool to reach its optimum water level without the possibility of leaking water around the extension collars. Other skimmer lips do not properly fit fiberglass pools, resulting in a less professional look. We created the mounting plate to extend farther to ensure the raw fiberglass pool is not exposed, leaving the pool with a more finished and polished look. Our Lucky 7 Skimmer is the only skimmer in the fiberglass pool industry manufactured specifically for fiberglass pools.